Step 1. Locate SIM. In order to install the sticky SIM, please locate your SIM card slot, usually located behind the battery. Mobile devices contain different types of SIM card holders. Location of SIM card slot may vary based on model. Step 2. Take battery out. Then take SIM card out. Step 3. Remove adhesive from sticky SIM card. Avoid touching the microchip. Step 4. Place SIM on your sticky SIM card. Make sure the cut corner of your SIM fits exactly on the uneven corner of the sticky SIM. Step 5. Peel out plastic protector. Step 6. Sticky SIM installation completed on SIM. Step 7. Insert back your SIM. Step 8. You are ready to activate and have seamless dialing for international calls.